everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you some ways to fix iPhone screen going black randomly. The problem that the iPhone screen goes black randomly during normal use is bothering many people. According to some users, this problem happens when turning the iPhone into landscape orientation, opening certain apps and end up calling few minutes after unlocking. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force restart the iPhone. When your iPhone encounters some minor problems like the screen going black randomly but still works, force restart is the first solution you should try. A forced restart will close all running apps, release memory and refresh the system. This helps repair some problems and won't cause any data loss on the device. To force restart your iPhone, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear. So slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is free up storage. Insufficient storage may also cause the iPhone screen go to black randomly. So go to settings, next scroll down and go to general option, tap on it, then choose iPhone storage. To check your remaining storage, if you have less than 3 GB of storage left, clean up unnecessary contents and temporary files to free up the iPhone storage space. Then observe the iPhone for a while to see if the black screen problem has been fixed and you are done. And the next step is update iOS software. If you have tried these two methods but the random black screen problem persists, then chances are that your iPhone is having a system fault. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general option, and next choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. iPhone will start checking for update and then display the latest iOS version on the screen. If you see any latest iOS version on the screen, tap download and install to start updating the iPhone and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you restore iPhone to factory settings. For this, go to settings, next scroll down and go to general option, next scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone and choose erase all content and settings, and then tap on continue and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone screen going black randomly, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.